Guys, boy Mark, man, you here with Team Profit Over Wages. We really getting paid, not going through the phases. And today, this video, I'm showing y'all how to send out y'all boomerangs to your customers, the people who have hit you up like, hey man, I'm going on a trip next month, or hey, how can I get those discounts that you've been talking about? This is what you'll need to do. You go to ibuumerang.com/login. It'll bring you to this page, and all you have to do is put in your username or your distributor ID and your password and just log in. All right, so once you do that, y'all might hear my nose is a little congested. You might hear me sniff a little bit in. Uh, I don't know what happened. I think it's the pollen, but I was fine a few days ago. But now I woke up this morning, I um, got a little sinuses going on up in there. But what we're gonna do, guys, just come down, and once you come down, you'll have active boomerangs and you have pending boomerangs. Now, the active boomerangs is how many you have to send out, and the active boomerangs is how many people are actually using. So, I have one, and I have 9 already inactive. I have one right now. But the good thing about our boomerang is every month that you pay your subscription, you get 5 extra boomerangs every month. On top of each time that you upgrade your class, each time that you upgrade, you get another amount of boomerangs. Like the business class, you get 25 boomerangs. The first class, you get 50. But like I said, every month you get 5 extra boomerangs. So you should never run out of boomerangs. But right now, I'm limited to one. But as soon as it's time for me to pay my monthly subscription, or once I upgrade, I will be upgrading soon. Like I said, I'm just playing around with it, getting everything together. But the best thing to do is just go ahead and get first class. I'm gonna upgrade to the first class. Um, One of the things that I like about our boomerang is once you upgrade, you see this timer. I explained it to a couple of people in my last video. Let me move this up here. In my last video, you have 60 days to upgrade and get these different classes for half the price. So this business class is usually 500. I can get it for $250. First class is usually 1,000, but I have 27 days to get the first class for 750. So all of this stuff, guys, you'll have your timer right here. Yours might be different. I have 27 days, 7 hours, 32 minutes, and 55 seconds to upgrade to either one of these guys and get it for half the price. That's amazing. Every time you upgrade. So once I upgrade to the business, I have 60 days to get the first class half the price. You can't beat that. You really cannot beat that. So you're saving and getting better discounts at the same time. All right, now how we gonna send out these boomerangs is basically they hit you up, man. I'm going on a trip next month. How can I get those savings? Like, oh yeah, I can give you a free website. All you gotta do is just book your trip. You're gonna get all of the savings. Make sure you use this code I sent out to you. So what you do, you put their first name, just say their name is Sarah, put in Sarah Williams, the expiration date, you can choose. I like to send mine out and have it available for 90 days because a lot of people are busy. A lot of people be like, they forget. So 90 days is a good time to just allow them to do what they want to do. You don't want to bug them. You don't want to hit them on like, hey, use the code. Hey, use the code. So if you do that in like within 7 days, you might get word that you send out a boomerang and they might not use it. You get what I'm saying? So what you want to do is 90 days. Give them time to use it whenever they feel the need. But once it get close to those days, you might hit them up like, hey, did you use the code? Did you find anything on the website? And that might trigger them and remember, like, oh yeah, I do got a free website. Or if they forgot, a lot of people not gonna forget if they ask you for it or see you promoting it all the time. They will use this boomerang. So you generate the code here, but like I said, you just create how long you want the code to last. You don't want it to last a day. You don't want it to last 3 days. You really want it to be 45 to 90 days. You can even do 30 days. That's the whole month. But just give them time to use it. So what you'll do, first name, last name, the expiration date of the code, hit generate code, it's gonna pop up a code right here. Then what you would do, but you also need to let them know that you need a telephone number and an email before you even uh, do all of this stuff. So once they contact you, once they be like, hey man, I'm going on a trip, all you need to say is, all right, cool. All I need is a name, all I need is a phone number and an email address, and I can send you a free code, man. It can get you a free website. You can use it, get these amazing discounts. Once they give it to you, generate the code, boom, send it as a text message, send it as an email. And what this is going to do is send them their code to them. You don't have to do anything but generate it and send it here. Now, once you do that, they're gonna go to the website igoboom.com. This is where they get all of the amazing discounts, all of the amazing tools and everything, the cruises, the flights, the rental cars, the week stays, everything that they need will be on this website, igoforless.com. But first, they will have to put in that code that they sent you. They got it already. This is the only way they can get in. So keep in mind, nobody can just go to iBoomerang or iGoBoom or iGoForLess, none of our websites, and get these amazing discounts without going through a TSA member. That's the amazing part of it. So you want to be the one that introduce it to them. You want to be the one to give them the code. You want to be the one who free websites that they use to book their trip so you can get paid. And it's free for them. Remember, it's free for them. They don't have to pay anything. All they have to do is create their username and have to create their username and their password. After they put in this code, it's gonna send them to the I Go For Less website where they can create their username and password where they get all of the savings. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Send them the code. They go here, they put it in, they create everything else on their own, and they book everything else on their own. And you will see everything here in your back office. So let me show you one of the things that our boomerang actually does once you send out a boomerang. So we'll move this over here. You can see the different people. You can see everybody who you sent out an iBoomerang to. And for example, you can see like, yes, they let you know if they used the code or not, if they're using the website. Yes, they used it. Yes, they used it. You have some people who haven't got to it yet, but they still, like I said, they have a time period where they have to use that code. And if they don't, then you waste the boomerang. So you only want to send your boomerangs to people who are ready to book a trip, who asked you for information, or you know who are going to travel. You do not want to just send out codes to people and they're not even going to use it. So make sure you're sending codes to people who are going to travel and who needs this service, who wants this service, because you do not want to just lose out on these boomerangs. So like with this person here, basically all I would have to do is just send them a message like, hey, did you see anything on the website that you like? And that might, I'm saying, switch their minds like, oh yeah, let me go check out this website. I am going on a trip. Because they actually asked me for it. So that's how you send out the boomerangs. Once again, I'm gonna show you one more time. I'm gonna come down, it's gonna be right down here. Just type in the first name, the last name, make sure you get a phone number, make sure you get an email, and all you have to do is just do that, generate that code, do the expiration date, generate the code, and boom, boomerang is made. It's sent out to them once you send it to them. And another thing is, in your back office, if they forget it, if they lose it, you will have the ability to have everybody's code. You can resend it to them if they need it. That's just how great our boomerang is. So that's all to it, guys. Make sure that you are getting these boomerangs to your customers. Make sure that you are basically just letting them know, like, man, you can get all of these deals. You can get, we have 110% price guarantee, and they don't want to use it. So just send it to them. It's free for them. So if you like this content, if you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe. And I will be making more videos with our boomerang. I'm gonna be sharing with you the tools, the resources, the system, other things that I use to help generate my customers and to help build my team, my TSA team. So keep in mind, nobody can go get these discounts unless they go through me or you, because we are TSAs. We are the Travel Savings Ambassadors, and we are giving out these things. So you want to go ahead. If you don't know about this opportunity, you want to go ahead, get into it, learn more about it. I will put a link below in the description where you can check out the presentation video if you haven't watched my last previous videos. So make sure you like, subscribe, click that bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop a video. Other than that, I'm out, and I will see you guys on the inside.